Hey guys, if Twitch isn't loading or working properly on Google Chrome, here's a step-by-step guide to get it fixed. Open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to History, then click History again. Now on the left, click Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to All Time. Check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Click Clear Data. Step 2. Click the three dots again, go to Extensions, and click Manage Extensions. Disable or remove any extensions that you think could be interfering with Twitch, like ad blockers or VPN extensions. Step 3. Click the three dots once more and go to Settings. On the left, click About Chrome. Chrome will now check for updates. If there's an update, install it and restart the browser. Step 4. Go to the Start menu and search for View Network Connections. Open it and find your current network adapter. Double-click on it. Click Properties. Then double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Type 8.8.8.8 in the first line and 8.8.4.4 in the second line. Click OK to save. Step 5. Open the Start menu again. Type CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Now type ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. Finally, restart your computer. After that, Twitch should be working just fine on Google Chrome. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching.